Yeah, that's basically it. She's doing fine. And it's a boiled down now today. Nitty gritty.
Everybody, so boy Lucy, and today me there on the farm, just reach up. You understand? So me could be a big out there. Trouble, the be a trouble. The other one out there, so I go and eat. You see me? So there me come check on them. And then me go down on the farm. Oi, you know hear me attack? Then me go down on the farm and see what going on. So I check on my carrot. So soon link on the back and I'll go up the road and circle and thing. So I'll show you everything we're going today. Oh, it's up nice and you may attack. So soon back. Guys, see carrot there. Some of them young just come up. So don't know anything set. See there. Carrot and green door. See that? Yeah, some grass come up in there. Boy, then grass I can't do the amount of time when me spray them. Nah, go down. If you draw them out one night time. As me I say. So see there. Carrot come up. Not too bad. It get rain and it get fertilized, so you know see I know not normal. See there. Carrot, carrot, carrot. Must I wonder how me I walk on the side. Can't manage it. Dirty business here not at all. So see there. Carrot. Go over night and show no. See there. So that I go on. So what I go on. Over here so. See there. So good amount of carrot. So you know things set. So it come up and it get a lot of rain. So you know, and you see a green and pretty same way. Yeah. So that's the blessing. So I have to give God thanks for everything we are going. So showing you here so I'll go up the road go see what I go on and show my grandfather tomato. Green and pretty. So soon check in back. So that teacup. Now if you walk. Good day. Daddy! Good day. Now if you walk. Oh, if a grass come up in there. And the rain tall fall grass like trouble. I think you see some turn one inside there. I want to pick off. See there? Show no beer. So tomato beer. Yeah. Plummy. I understand? You know, I'm not going in the car. Can't manage to skip over nothing. You know. And see pumpkin and go inside the same way. But I know I can't kill out the pumpkin. You know? So I don't know anything set. Can't say I not show no it. When this pick a trouble. Do you know? See my friend here. Bread girl, you know, love her bread. Come call to people there. You know, call to them. Man, you run come feed bread, you know. You know, call to them. Kitty. Kitty. Go on later, yeah? So, there, I walk a go down. Go down on the road. Way upon Tass. Tass tell me how long saying the on the way I come. Saying the on the way how long I forward. Yeah, correct myself. I know you can't reach. You see me? I'm there, I carry 2 chicken. Yeah, every time I come, I make sure I carry 2 chicken. You see me? Can't carry all of them one time. So I carry them two. Understand? So, there upon my way I go home. And then, Lovell just call me say, when me there, say, she want to go home. Look like she don't feel good, so I try my best to see how fast I can cut and go my yard. Yeah. No must I wonder say, be a bush. Yeah, me come from. Brother, where you come from? You see me I say? So, I'm one thing man. Lucy there go and hold it and go and foot it for the time being. So when Tass come back, I go make you hear the story where I go give me. Yeah. Guys, with the here pouring, nothing to do. So they bake muffin. The first time lighting our oven. Not to really show nothing on camera. But we don't know nothing to do because we come home, Wi-Fi now pick up me now. Curry from curry way just now come back up so. So alright, occupy my time because I can't just lay down so just a look so. I want something to do.
But me tell him, say guys, we could have sit down and talk. We shouldn't want to talk.
We are waiting to sit down and talk about. You know, lay down, no, that's not lay down.
Life!
You never talk about nothing. You just
Me never let talk. You don't want to talk though.
You never talk about nothing here, guys. Just so she has. Lay down so till she drop asleep. Someone's coming in the kitchen and light up your oven.
Guys, if you come up with my show now.
Come on, good.
Guys, first time people tell me.
Yeah.
First time lighting our oven, I feel it. I feel it.
Alright.
Oh, good.
So guys, today I'm going to hold it in the loneliness. How do I see like your Wi-Fi come up now?
You just gone back to your regular self, don't talk to me.
You never do that. Stop your life.
A joke.
Some bump pain knows me how quick it is, so. Soon show me look guys, so stay tuned. That's it. Then I town. They have to go and go a bank, but line them long. So I say, yo, I come give me virgin. I link up. Menke done, so I just pop up and see what I'm going to do. You see me, I say, yeah. Yo, yesterday I was in a line at tax office all day from 10 o'clock right up. Can't get through. So I walk in for me, get them and see them up there now. Say people may want friend named Ricky. If me no link me, no link me. I wonder where in there.
Ah man!
Yeah man, call me like I'm here my friend. Nah, link me. Corey I talks man, Corey I say. Up to all I say Corey I link me. You see boy Ricky I sell out here. Yo.
Yeah man I sell you out.
Nah, link me. Nah, link me. So that is. Yeah? There man. So link up Corey. Nah link you because you nah link me. Yeah, Judas go. So yo, they are yellow thugs and just reach back in. I walk go over. So I go in a store go buy one pants. I lick up my foot pan one board in there because we buy board there, the pants them are covered so when them put down the pants pan couldn't get fit. No say yo something long out. So I walk past, whoop, a couple of many. So they at me so guys just want to big up everybody. See me I say who did it with me and boy so me feel like a man now. 2 years me I work on something and they say nothing done before time, you see me? And finally come through, sort out me I sort out. You see me I say and today me go bank, see me go sort out some stuff and get it done with things. But out there longer because line them out there no normal. But no 5 person come and collect number and gone. So by the time if you come back to the number pass. So me did I sit down and I wait till my time come. Me get through. So yeah, that's it, you know. So go back go and relax still. Level far out. Cause she come home early today. Soon for her time. So yeah, some white shirt there. I go over go wash. Go hang them out then wash already so. I go hang them out. I didn't wash them this morning, but through I left out early. Couldn't get to wash them, so no say I was checking back and I look at the time, you see me? So just stay tuned.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And today, because I know it's a long time, I'm gonna give you a little baby update, like how the baby's doing. So we're gonna just give you a brief brief, what would I say now? Brief talk how the baby's doing, because we haven't talked about the baby so far, and a lot of persons see me in the town and all over the place and I ask me, say, oh, the baby's doing. Even in the comment section, I see a lot of persons saying, oh, the baby's doing. Why is it a job? So guys, the baby's doing fine, like fine. But because it's down to the nitty-gritty, like, you know, the time soon come. So she's kicking, she's all of that, and me I feel a lot of pain down at that area, because you know baby rest down that side. Me I feel a lot of back pain. Me not feel no back pain at all, but my foots are swollen. Like my foot no go down none at all. My foot just swell, like literally swell up. And even if me evaluate here, even if me put it up on a little pillow, anything like that, even if me put olive oil on it, even if Lucy rub it, it's still not go down. So yes, I've been having a little belly pain. Not really belly pain, but you know, the pregnancy symptoms of, you know, the belly, the womb expanding to accommodate the baby more, as she's getting bigger. She's, you know, putting on a lot of weight, and so I'm feeling a lot of pain down in the leg area. So that's basically it. And me don't know if other pregnant females have that problem here, but me realize that anytime I eat, especially like after 6 go down to night time, me have a burning heart. I have a heartburn. It's like my chest pain me. So me have to drink milk and so. And yeah. And even when I go doctor the other day, the doctor say we must cut down on drinking, like drinking water, juice, cut down on it, because it can, you know, caused by the swelling, and because me I stand up too long as well. So, but me understand the standing up part, because me the school, me have to walk a morning time, go out go take taxi, me have to walk coming back. Well, sometimes I don't walk, but me walk. And then during the day we stand up to collect lunch, and yeah, the standing up. So doctor say me if we cut down on the walking and the drinking a lot of fluid, which me can't really cut down on it, because me can cut down on it, but not really, because it have got to summertime, so it time hot, like extra hot. So me I drink a lot of, especially water, juice. I drink a lot of liquid. But you have to hear what the doctor has to say, right? So that's basically it. And for the best part of my pregnancy, I don't have any bad experience. That me feel a lot of pain. Yeah, that's it. Feel a lot of pain. Me can, even when I turn at night time, it's like it hard for me turn. Yeah, it hard for me turn, because I feel a lot of pain in my leg area. But that's it. The food habit is regular. Me can eat any and everything. Sleeping, not really, because sometimes through me I feel the pain, me can't really sleep. Me not feel no back pain. Me put on a lot of weight, because as you can see. So yeah, that's basically it. But you know, the regular symptoms of, you know, you can, like every other female would I say, them have this, them vomit, them couldn't sleep, them feel like right now she a kick. She has stiff out a lot as well. Yeah. She has stiff out a lot. Even me the school and the teacher them attack is like she learned with me, guys. She just have move. So yeah, that's basically it. Me not have a lot of bad experience, which me not have a lot of good experience as well. It's just normal. So most person even in the comment section would I hear them I say, I go through this, I'm gonna go through that, I'm gonna go through this, I'm gonna go through that. I'm yet to experience that. So yeah, that's basically it. So guys, your niece, your granddaughter, your everything, she's doing fine. She's doing really, really fine. And yeah, that's basically it. She's doing fine. And it's a boiled down now today, nitty gritty. And me not really think about the delivery part because me no want to get, frightened. So yes guys, so that's it. Stay tuned and remember to like, comment and share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time we drop a video. So stay tuned guys. Bye.